This is a cool trick to help you to remember special angles of trigonometry using your hand. So technically, your fingers, you are divided into the thumb and 4 other fingers. So the thumb is 0 degrees. The first finger is going to be 30 degrees, followed by 45, 60, and 90. So what you do, the rule of it is going to be rule is equals to number of fingers divided by 2. So if the number is a sine, you count the fingers of sine to the right. And if it's a cosine, you count the fingers to the left. So let's say, for example, if we are doing cosine 60, so 60 is this finger here, okay? So 60 is this finger here. So to find sine 60, you count the fingers to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is going to be the square root of 3. And then you need to divide by 2. That's cool, isn't it? Okay, now we shall do cosine 60 now. Again, 60 is here. Cosine, you move to the left. So there's only 1. So square root of 1 divided by 2, which is the same as 1 over 2, which is half. Okay? Great. Now let's move on. Okay? Sine 0. So 0 is your thumb. Okay? So if I say to the right of the thumb, there's no more fingers. So you're going to be 0 over 2, which is just 0. How about cosine 0? Cosine 0, you move to the left. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there'll be 4. So it's going to be square root 4 divided by 2, which is 2 over 2. And cosine 0 is going to be 1. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to do sine 45. The sine 45 is the third finger. So sine 45 is 45. You count to the right. So there's 1, 2. So you're going to be square root 2 divided by 2. And similarly, for cosine 45, there's 1, 2. So there is also the same answer, root 2 over 2. Okay? And then you may ask me, why can't you calculate tangent? Tangent, okay? Tangent is just sine divided by cosine. So if you know this answer, so if you got the sine 45 is root 2 over 2, and your cosine 45 is also root 2 over 2, these numbers are the same. You're just going to divide that number, and the answer is going to be 1. So that is how we have learned how to remember special angles. Special angles mean the 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 using your hand. So hope you enjoy and learn something today. Cheers, everyone.